Looking for the best hydraulic press? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 hydraulic press on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. JEGS 6-ton tabletop hydraulic shop press. Takes up less space and is straightforward to use, mounts on a table or bench. Has a reasonably sturdy build for a 6-ton press. It's also easy to assemble. If you're looking for a hydraulic press that's perfect for use in home workshops, this tabletop model may be exactly what you need. Not ideal for major tasks, provides less leverage and durability than full-size presses. At number 2. Torin 12-ton hydraulic press. Excellent build quality that will give you plenty of value over time. Steel frame remains sturdy while you're working. High quality paint job, resists rusting and is easy to clean. Uses an H-frame and sturdy legs to prevent wobble. Slightly less pricey than some other 12-ton hydraulic shop presses, plus it has a sturdy construction that will last a long time. Costs more than others with similar power levels. Not made for those who need constant, heavy-duty performance. At number 1. Strongway 12-ton hydraulic press. Uses a high quality of paint to resist rust. It's also easy to clean grease and oil from the surface of the paint. H-frame design with flat legs ensures stability. Quality of the piston and cylinder ram construction resists skiving. Steel H-frame construction ensures longevity and durability from this sturdy hydraulic shop press. Offers a good value, but it's not really made for consistent, heavy-duty work. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.